In today's video, I'm going to reveal my top stock pick for August 2025, a fresh buying opportunity after a surprising drop. I will also take you through the latest updates in my stock portfolio, give you an S&P 500 outlook, and show you how I calculated the fair value of this month's pick. I'm ATP and let's get started. Firstly, I want to thank XTB for supporting this video. XTB offers 0% commission on both real stocks and ETFs, with a minimum transaction value of just €10. These conditions apply to monthly volumes up to €100,000, and above that, there is just a 0.2% commission. If you are new to the platform and want help getting started, check out the full step-by-step tutorial linked in the description. And here's the best part: if you open an account using the code ATP, I will give you 1 month of free access to our premium investing group, where I share my full portfolio, trade alerts, ETF strategies that give more than 20% profit per year, and much more. You don't even need to deposit any money. Just sign up, send us a screenshot, and we'll activate your access immediately. Let's start with a quick update on my portfolio. During July, I didn't sell any more positions. I'm still holding everything, but the overall value of the portfolio increased nicely. Last month, I had around €1,500 in unrealized profit. Now that number has grown to approximately €1,900, which is about $2,200 at today's exchange rate. And my top performer continues to be Amazon, with a 77% gain since I bought it, and still looks very strong. Now, looking at the broader market, since our last video, the S&P 500 has climbed another 5%, officially breaking above the 6,300 level and setting a brand new all-time high. This confirms the bullish structure we highlighted back in July. If this momentum continues, the next significant resistance level, based on historical price structure, could be around the $6,600 mark. That gives us a healthy margin for further growth in the weeks ahead. Before we reveal the top stock pick for this month, I want to take a moment to highlight 2 ideas from our amazing community, being the first one, Veeva. Veeva Systems is a US-based cloud software company that serves pharma and biotech firms. It is ranked as a top 478 company worldwide and has shown solid revenue growth over the past decade. Looking at the long-term chart, Veeva only started trading publicly in 2014, so we have about 10 years of data. Despite a few corrections, the long-term trend has been clearly bullish. In March 2022, the price broke below the 600-period SMA line, largely due to the broader market correction, and spent over a year consolidating below that level, which proved to be a strong accumulation zone. Since April, Veeva has bounced back sharply and is now trading about 37% above the 600 SMA line, which, as I have explained in previous videos, often acts as a support and a fair value line in my system. So technically, I believe it's a bit overextended at the moment. If the price drops closer to that fair value line again, just like it did earlier this year, it could offer a much better entry point. Regarding fundamental valuation, I run Veeva through the same 10 valuation models I use in every episode. To keep it simple, here's a summary of the results and the final fair value of $268. Currently trading at around $282, Veeva is slightly overvalued right now, trading 5% above its fair value zone. So for me, it's definitely a high-quality company with long-term potential, but I would prefer to wait for a better technical entry closer to the SMA line before buying. By the way, if you would like your favorite stock to be featured in one of the next episodes, feel free to leave a comment below with your idea and the short reason why you think it's worth analyzing. I read all of them. Now let's move on to the second community pick, this time by Bill, and it's Merck, with the ticker MRK, a global pharmaceutical giant and one of the most established names in the healthcare industry, being the top 75 stock worldwide. Historically, Merck has been a very stable and defensive stock, following a long-term bullish trend. However, since late 2024, the stock has experienced a heavy correction, mostly related to the new healthcare regulations introduced in the US. But here's the good news. Despite this headwind, Merck's earnings reports have remained strong, showing resilience and solid fundamentals. From a technical perspective, Merck is currently trading below the 600 period SMA line, which places the stock in a good long-term buy zone. We can also identify a clear support level around the $76 level, which has held multiple times since 2018. Since mid-May, the stock has started to bounce from that zone, forming a potential reversal and showing early signs of recovery. Then, after running Merck through my usual 10 model framework, the weighted fair value comes out to approximately $128 per share. With the stock currently trading around $80, this gives us an upside potential of about 60%. So, overall, Merck looks like a great opportunity. However, even though 60% upside is impressive, the top stock I have chosen for this month has even greater appreciation potential. So, what's the number one stock to buy in August 2025? Well, it's actually the same stock we picked in July, United Health Group with the ticker UNH. Last month, we bought it at around $306 after doing a full technical and fundamental analysis. If you haven't seen that video yet, I highly recommend checking it out. And here's the key point. Since then, the stock dropped another 7% and is now trading near the $283 level, which means we are getting the same high quality business, only cheaper. If you are wondering what caused this drop, it's mostly tied to ongoing uncertainty around healthcare policy and investor sentiment. But fundamentally, nothing has changed. The leadership remains solid, recent earnings were in line, and the company continues to generate strong free cash flow. In July, we calculated a weighted fair value of $537 per share. That hasn't changed, but since the current price is now around $283, that gives us a new potential upside close to 90%, which is extremely rare for a blue chip stock of this size. So yes, this remains a lifetime opportunity in my view. So let's now head over to Xstation 5 and complete our United Health Group position. After logging into your Xstation 5 account, go to the Market Watch section. In the search bar, type UNH, that's the ticker for United Health Group, and make sure to select the real stock, not the CFD version. Once you have selected it, click the chart icon to open the real-time chart and review the current price. Now, to place your order, right-click on the chart and select New Order. In the order window, type in the number of shares you want to buy. Last month, we bought 0.5 shares, and now we are going to buy the other half, giving us a full share of United Health Group in my portfolio, with a new average cost of around $294. After setting up your amount, click the buy button, confirm your order, and it's done. So there you have it, United Health Group as the top stock for August, plus 2 bonus stock analysis from the community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what stocks you are watching this month. I will see you in the next video, and as always, happy investing. Bye bye.